Here is something I hear all the time. People say thin ring gauge cigars are better than thick ones, or thick cigars are best than thin cigars. Truth is, neither is better. They just feel different, and that's what makes cigars beautiful. Let's start with thin ring gauge cigars because that's where most confusion happens. Cigars like Cohiba Lancero, a 38 ring gauge by 192 millimeter, or a Leguito Especial, a 40 ring gauge by 192 millimeter, are some of the hardest cigars to get right in Cuba in terms of the balance, the construction, and its perfection. Why? Because you have much less tobacco inside compared to a short, fat cigar like a Robusto or a Hinales size. But you still need a rich blend, three filler leaves, a binder, and a wrapper, all working together perfectly in balance. When something is just a little off, you feel it right away. A Lancero is lighter in weight as well, around 10.29 grams officially. So there's less tobacco, but very clear character in every puff. But longer smoking time than a thick cigar like a Robusto. Because of that, thin ring gauge cigars give you very focused, well defined flavors. Not a lot of smoke, but whatever smoke you do get is precise and intense. If I had to explain it with spirits, thin cigars are like drinking whiskey neat. No distractions, every note hits you straight. You taste exactly what the blend wants to say. Now, let's look at thicker cigars. Take something like a Cohiba Robusto, a 50 ring gauge by 124 millimeter in length, weighing about 11.66 grams. That's heavier in hand compared to a Lancero. And thicker cigars like Romeo Julieta White Churchills, a 55 ring gauge, about 16 grams. You immediately feel that tobacco volume when you pick it up. Let's say that extra tobacco gives you abundance of smoke, a fuller mouth feel, and a creamy richness that develops slowly as you smoke. Look at this. Draw is easier, it feels rounder, more generous, smooth, layered with a big mouth feel. So, none of this is about better. Sometimes in the same day, you want something sharp and direct. Sometimes you want rich, slow, full smoke. That's a cigar experience. Hasta luego.